Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce the quality of a PDF file. The primary goal is to make your documents smaller, which is essential for faster sharing and quicker loading times online. This process mainly involves compression, where we strategically reduce the data within the file. It's a balancing act, as we aim for a smaller size while maintaining an acceptable visual appearance. Understanding this trade-off is key to achieving the desired outcome for your specific needs. One of the most effective ways to reduce PDF size is through image downsampling. This technique involves lowering the resolution of images embedded within your document. For instance, if an image is 300 dots per inch, you might reduce it to 150 dots per inch for web use, or even 72 dots per inch for email attachments. By decreasing the number of pixels, the file size shrinks considerably, making the document much lighter and easier to handle. Beyond downsampling, adjusting the image quality settings plays a crucial role. For photographic content, using JPEG compression with a lower quality setting can significantly reduce file size. For line art or text, ZIP compression is often more suitable. Most tools allow you to choose between low, medium, or high quality. Selecting a lower quality will result in a smaller file, but it's important to preview the document to ensure the visual integrity remains acceptable for its intended purpose. To practically apply these methods, utilize dedicated PDF compression software or features within your PDF editor. Always create a duplicate of your original file before making any changes, ensuring you have a backup. After compression, thoroughly review the new, smaller PDF to confirm that the quality reduction is acceptable for your needs. Remember, documents primarily composed of text or vector graphics may not see as dramatic a size reduction as those rich in high-resolution images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.